Hi guys, great to see you.
And there he was, Ralf Müller, Mr. Universe, part-time gladiator, a true man of action.
Let me guess, another brilliant idea from marketing.
I thought we should build something together. Something epic, something with wood. I thought about...
A porch swing?
Yeah, that's an idea.
Sunk it like a pro.
Yeah. I tightened the screws with a lot of feeling. Like in a great Hollywood love story. Wow! Great, guys. Good work. You know what? Let's build something with the real power. Huh?